This episode of Love Lauren is sponsored by Scott Bonnar Fabrication and Parts.
G'day lovers, it's Michael here from Love Lauren. Thanks so much for joining me as always. Today I'm pretty excited because we're kicking off the rebuild of this 14-inch solid deck Scott Bonnar 45-cylinder mower. It's been a little while coming. If you haven't seen the teardown videos previously, please check out the corresponding playlist on this channel in which we take this machine down to bare metal in preparation for painting. Everything comes off in that series, and in this series everything goes back on. My plan is to follow a very similar format in terms of dedicated videos for the reassembly of all of the component parts of this machine, and really chuffed to be able to offer you guys some of these videos. It's my way of giving back to everyone who's helped me in my journey to rebuild and preserve some of these Scott Bonnar machines. So whether you're working on a 14-inch, a 17-inch or a 20-inch, a lot of what we're covering here is going to be applicable to you. There's a few minor differences between the twin rails and the solids, but apart from that, there's a lot of similarities too. I've been using this mower for a couple of months now on this lawn, on and off. And I'm really happy with the performance of the machine so far. Obviously taking it down and putting it all back together gives me a lot of confidence in being able to adjust the machine and sort of know how it's working as we sort of bed in the reassembly. And that's, it's been working really well for me. So if you're planning your own rebuild or just playing along at home and watching the video series, really excited to have you here, guys. This is such a fun thing to do, and from someone of my background with really zero mechanical experience, being able to do this is really great sense of accomplishment, and it's something that I'm really happy to be able to share with you guys. I didn't have a really in-depth amount of video tuition in particular available to me when I was doing this, and I wish I had. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please feel free to do so. Ring the notification bell so that you can be notified as new videos are released in YouTube. Always appreciate a like, of course, and happy to answer any questions or comments down below and in the various forums as well where I hang out. I'm also on Facebook and tend to post when I release new videos there, so you can drop a like there if you'd like. Instagram for general lawn stuff, and Patreon, of course, as well, if you'd like to donate to the amazing cause that is Love Lawn. Without further ado, it's time to get stuck into this rebuild. Welcome to Assembly Central here.